Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to show you the October papers for the new challenges that we are going to play in LineDotArrow, but also in Two Sister Jam, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal tutorials and more. So we have LineDotArrow, Sweet Pea Papers, Two Sister Jam, Junk Journal tutorials and more. And the fifth group is going to be Junk Journal and Papercrafts, because Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the channel Sweet Pea Papers, also from the Facebook group Sweet Pea Papers, has 3 groups now. She has Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal tutorials and more, and Junk Journal and no, not Junk Journal, Junk Journal and Papercrafts. Yes, she has 3. So together with Two Sister Jam and LineDotArrow, we have 5, which means you can enter in all 5 groups. You can post the same thing in all 5 groups. Use the hashtag, and if you use one of the kits or all the kits, your post will count as 2 entries, so your name will be in the name picker wheel twice. If you only use the freebies, which is also a possibility, that's okay. You don't have to purchase any kits. You can download the freebies in a Facebook group and work with them. Your post is counting as 1 entry in all the groups. So, and at the end we will all do a winner's drawing. So we have 5 winner's drawings, and your name can be in all 5, and you can win in all 5. We have been doing this for quite some time. Most of you already know how it works, but in case you have any questions, please do ask in all the Facebook groups. They know how it's going to work. And members can help you out too. Let me first show you one of the kits that I have created. Usually I have, well, I can have a kit like 30-40 pages sometimes. This time I have tried to do different things to meet different wishes from different creators' point of view. But I have the autumn Kaleidoscope. I have the autumn Ephemera Kit. I have a textured paper bundle kit. Then I have a vintage background collage pages kit. And to do something Halloweeny thingy, some little Halloween things, I have the Littte Halloweenies. I'm going to show you all the pages and pieces in a while. I'm going to start with the Kaleidoscope kit, the Autumn Kaleidoscope. It has 16 pages. Not sure if the colors will show up the right way. Okay, this is the best I can do. 16 pages. And it has autumn colors, but not necessarily autumn elements. That's why it's called Kaleidoscope. It has the color Kaleidoscope, the colors palette of autumn, but it is a little bit different. It has florals, it had orange, it has blues, it has hints of, yeah, it's not pink, but there is some pink here and there. There's also a backing page for in case you want to just make a journal. And I have this one. And then I have another backing page which I believe is upside down. Yes, that's true. And then I have another sort of backing page. This is very light. And then I have this one. I wasn't sure if you could see all the papers. Then I have a collage paper, and this one has like hints of pink. This one also have pinks. A backing paper, a writing paper, and then we have the ephemera pieces. A lot of tags. These one are even bigger. Pockets, well, half pockets. I really like these. Smaller tags. Slanted pockets. So they have there are 16 pages, and they all go together. All those kits can go together. You don't need to buy all the kits like I said before, but in case you do want to purchase all the papers, they work very well together. And there is a theme this month. The hashtag is going to be texture your art. That's why I have like this is textured. You can also add texture because there's a pattern going on. This is going to add texture to your art. Although it's not going to be like you can feel it, but it is going to add something extra. So this is one of the kits, 16 pages, Autumn Kaleidoscope. Then I have a Ephemera Kit, the Autumn Ephemera Kit. It has 10 pages and it is just to have fun pieces to play with, to add fall elements to your papers. It has little cards, little labels, circle elements. These can be glued together, so this can be the back side, this can be the front side. You can also cut them apart, back them with something different, go crazy on this with stamping, adding layers of fabrics and elements from the kit. There's so much you can do. Little journal cards. Again, this can be the back side, but it can also be a separate journal card. I have mushrooms over here and sweet little owls. And I try to add things that add texture. This can add texture. This can add texture. Blank journal card. Some fuzzy cut elements. Then I have tags. More tags over here. A jar with mushrooms. Labels. And these can be added to your project, to a page. But it can also be the base of your tag, of course. Then I have mushroom pictures over here, and these over here, these are like photo frame pictures, like the Kodak thingies, but they would work great as a background to make a collage on. You can use them as pockets but also as journal cards. Then I have more labels and these two beautiful owl ladies. And I also included 2 collage sheets. This is the first, this is the second. And like I said, the kit has 10 pages, but I added also 3 extra because I made mini versions of all the ephemera pieces. So we have this one, and then I have a textured paper bundle, 16 pages. And I really had fun creating this because there's so much difference in texture. And this is like a cardboard or like a card box element. And this is not sure if it all shows up very well on camera, but it has like, it's folded, it's creased, it's darkened, it's, well, a little bit dirty actually. Then I have this one, has folding crease too, and you can also use it like this. Then I have a blue one with stripe elements. How do you say this? Distressed. This one has a striped pattern, also a little bit of creases. Of course, there needed to be wood because wood is a great texture to work with. Then I have like metal. I'm not sure if it will show up very well on camera. I do hope they show up on camera very well. This one is a very busy page, but this is my favorite paper, with layers and rips and torn edges and different colors of brown, but also hints of green, and of course a lot of script. This one I really enjoyed too. Different fabrics with well, fibers that really stand out. And there is a jute paperback ground paper. I like this one too. Then I have sort of handmade paper with real florals in it. This one has like earth toned pattern, spots, crinkles, smaller jute or more like cheesecloth. Another metal piece. And this is also one of my favorite pages. It has all the different textures and colors. And these can be used as background papers for your journal, of course, but also as background pieces to make a tag or a journal card or a card or a front, like, how do you call that? What you put on front of your book plate, like book plates, the decorative piece that you put on your front cover of your journal. So this one will be listed too. Then I also have a smaller kit with 8 vintage background collage pages. This is more floral. It's not really a theme for fall, but it can work very well with the fall ephemera papers or with the Halloween things, or add it to the Kaleidoscope kit. It is more neutral toned with different things that give you different, well, this one is, there's a lot going on this page, but it could work very well like a background paper for your project. We have this one, and we have this one. Not sure if you can see all the details. Some details are not really showing up. And we have this one. This is one of my favorites. This one has hints of pink, and this one has hints of pink too. And this is the final paper. So we have these also. And I didn't want to go full into fall because I have different fall kits that I really like, and I like making them, but I have done so many botanical kits lately, and also for the challenges, that I thought, well, I don't want to do only botanical stuff. I do want to make different things. Also want to do something for Halloween, and I have the Littte Halloweenies. I've been creating more of these. I have portraits, vintage people portraits, and also the vintage children portrait kits. But these are, and they make me laugh. These are like screaming or scary. Well, they're not scared in the most bad way, but like, oh, how do you say that in English? Like, when somebody sneaks up on you and you do this, you look geschrokken. It is in Dutch, but I don't know the word in English at the moment. But there are 11 pages. Not only children, but also some adult images are included. And I think there are 2 that are actually kind of creepy. This one is kind of creepy, although I do like it. Some are actually smiling. Some are just looking like nothing happened. I really like this one. So, yeah. And this, isn't she a cutie? And he. But like this, it's not really. This is also a little bit scary, maybe. But I do, I do like this one too. So then you also have smaller versions, and there are a few smaller versions that are not in the bigger version, because this is a little bit scary, but this is funny. I like this one a lot. These are cute. This is sort of scary, but not really. So I like them. This is my favorite too. So we have these. I like these too. And these. I really think these are cute. Then we also have the smaller versions of the larger one I just showed you at the beginning. These are also smaller. So these are the tiniest versions of the first pages I showed you. And I am going to try to make challenges that will fit all the kits. So you don't have to purchase one of the kits or all the kits to be able to join the challenges. And of course there will be freebies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new kits. I believe these two are great together too. I believe these can work great together. I also believe these can work great with these. But I also believe that the ephemera pieces can work very well on the Kaleidoscope kit. So it's up to you which combination you want, or maybe you want nothing. That's okay too. I am so happy I finally got them ready. I have to be honest with you, I wanted to have everything ready yesterday, and I thought, well, we're going to start new challenges today, 29th of September. And then I realized, no, I have to wait a week because we have the next month, and otherwise we will be done in the 3rd week of October, so that's not funny. So if we start on the 5th, we have a challenge until the 12th, then we have a new one starting on the 12th, then we have a new one on the 19th, then we have one that starts on the 19th until the 26th, 27th, so you have 1, 2, well, the 26th is the final one, that's the 4th week, and then we can do the winners drawing in the first weekend of November. Yeah, this is it for today. I will update the Linktree links with all the participating Facebook group. At the moment, still Savage Art is in that Linktree link because it's still September. And I also will include every kit in there and also the YouTube video to show you the papers. And I will have my video with the first freebies and challenge ready next week on October the 5th. So keep that date in mind if you want to join the challenges. But we will also be posting an event in all the Facebook groups, so you will be notified when it starts. Once again, the freebies will only be available in the LineDotArrow Facebook group, and they will also be available on my Ko-Fi page, but they are not free on my Ko-Fi page. If you want them for free, you have to be a member of LineDotArrow so you can work with them. This is it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, maybe you want to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, maybe you want to be a subscriber, and hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. Like I said, I have a Facebook group, and it's the YouTube channel and the Facebook group kind of goes together. If you want to be updated about new challenges, you need to be a member of the Facebook group, but also of the YouTube channel to don't miss out on the new things. Yeah, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.